In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI in Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Grok inside Telegram, start a chat, and understand the requirement that affects who can access it. First, open your Telegram account. That simply means launching the Telegram app and being signed in so you can search and start a conversation. Give the app a second to fully load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. Next, use the search bar at the top of Telegram and type the word Grok. You're looking for the official Grok presence inside Telegram. When the results appear, tap on the correct Grok entry to open its chat page. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly represents the Grok AI bot or service. This ensures you're chatting with the right tool and not a lookalike. Once you're on the Grok chat page, tap the Start button to begin. If you don't see a button, you can type the word Start into the message field and send it. This tells the bot you're ready to begin a session, and it should respond with a welcome or an availability message. At this point, you'll notice an important detail. Grok in Telegram is only available to Telegram Premium subscribers. If you're not on Premium, the bot will indicate that access is limited. If you are on Premium, you should be able to proceed and use Grok right away. A quick way to know whether you have Premium is to check your Telegram status or look for Premium indicators in your settings. If you don't see any, it likely means you're on the standard plan. If you already have a Premium account, feel free to start using Grok in Telegram now. You can type your questions in natural language, just like chatting with a friend. Be clear and specific to get the best answers. If Grok's reply doesn't fully cover what you need, follow up in the same chat with more details.